Okay. We have only 2 batch here. I hope the inside is cooked. But it's not that thick, so it's gonna be cooked. Let's flip another flip for this one. It's yummy. Okay, and the next is okay. You can just put it here to let the oil get out. Get out. Okay, and we can put another one. Let it sit there. And put another one. Okay. Here you go. Make it like a ball and flat. And make sure it's not gonna split. And make it thin as much as possible so it's gonna cook the inside. Like this. See this one? Maybe this one is cooked now. I'll split one more time. Yes, let's see. Okay, I put another load. Okay.
Diane is coming.
Yeah.
Diane is going to stay here all day.
Yeah.
Diane is going to stay here all day.
Yeah.
All day.
Not all day.
All day in there. Until here.
Yeah, it's morning now in Philippines.
They
Yeah, they have big trains.
have more trains.
Yes, they have.
We have the white ones.
Mm-hmm.
This one have
Okay, let's get this now because it's cooked now, and I think this one I messed up with this one, but that's fine. Still good. This one, it's cooked. See, I put with the paper towel on so the oil gonna be okay. Now we have another load. This is the last one. This is the last one. Last one. I'm trying to make it stick together. Okay. Oh, please don't mess. I think I messed up this one.